Hello everybody. We know the top 5 most valued companies in the world, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Nvidia and Google, are anyways deeply into technology, whether it is cloud, AI or any other latest technology as well. But the surprising part is the 6th most valuable company in the world, which is Aramco, a Saudi Arabian company. They have recently partnered with Accenture to upskill their employees also in the Gen AI space, in the data space and in the cloud space. By the way, Aramco is not a technology company, it is an oil and gas company. An oil and gas company is also pushing its employees to upskill on these 3 dimensions. You can understand how relevant it is now for you and I to upskill on these 3 dimensions: data, AI and cloud, any one of them. And in this video, I'm going to talk through the latest developments in the industry, indicating what each company is doing right now in these 3 areas and also how it could impact you. And finally, I will end the video with what are some of the resume bullets that you should talk through when you are upskilling and when you are going and presenting your skill set in the market across any of these 3 dimensions. So let's start with the first one, which is data. HCL Technologies announced just a few days back that they have recently acquired French SaaS company called Xenia. And what does this Xenia do? Xenia is about data management. That's it. Data management is becoming more and more important. And why is that? Let me give you a simple example. If you are watching a Netflix movie, if you are watching it on your phone while you are going to work and coming back, versus when you are sitting at home and watching with your family, the relevance of data, how it is captured, is very different. And hence, how data is captured, how people are looking at data, how the data is governed, data governance, metadata, all these things are becoming super crucial. That is the reason why HCL Tech has acquired this particular company. If you are looking to make your career in data space, metadata management is one of the most important things. Data cataloging, lineage and data governance capabilities, these are some of the hottest thing right now in the data space. And it is not just about HCL Tech. Accenture's media and entertainment domain lead for the APAC region has mentioned recently that the entire industry itself is evolving with respect to how content is consumed by the consumers like you and me. Regular content, you can take audio content, video content or text-based content. And he also mentioned how this content is stored, how this content is being analyzed. All these things are continuously evolving and we are potentially looking at a different industry by 2030, in 6 years time. So multiple companies are acting on it. They are not just sitting idle. So you as an individual as well have to understand how you can upskill in this data space. Hugely important. Before I move into the next section of the video, I want to quickly introduce to you the Generative AI course launched by Odin School in collaboration with the ICT Academy, IIT Guwahati. It's a 6-month instructor-led course where you will be learning technologies and tools to build and deploy generative AI models. These are not just theoretical concepts. You will actually do 25 plus industry projects. Once you complete the course, you will get the alumni status and also the course completion certificate from ICT Academy, IIT Guwahati. Not just that, you are also eligible for the 2-day immersive program at IIT Guwahati campus. The course is taught by mentors from the academic world and also experts from the corporate world. Once you complete the 6-month course, you will be eligible to apply for the 500 plus hiring partners of Odin School. The holistic placement support will continue for 2 years and you will have a lot of mock interviews and behavioral interviews. The course fee is 1,20,000 plus GST. You have the options to pay through an EMI and scholarships are available as well. Highly recommended program. Go ahead and apply for the program using the link in the description. Now coming back into the second section, which is cloud. You can see that recently TCS has announced a collaboration with Google Cloud to build enterprise level, which is company level cybersecurity AI solutions, right? To increase the cyber resilience of companies. You can see at one shot, they are talking about all the 3 points. 1, cybersecurity, cloud, AI. When you say cloud, it all is about collecting the data and sending the data back. So all in all, even a new technology like cybersecurity is coming into one single initiative. So you can understand the relevance of it. Number two is AWS. Amazon Web Services has announced $10.5 billion of investment in UK for expanding their data centers. Now, AWS is Amazon Web Services, which is their cloud division. You can see very quickly that data, cloud, and AI, all of them are becoming interdependent with each other, and that is the fundamental reason why Aramco has partnered with Accenture to upskill their employees across these three dimensions only. Now, if you move into the third section, which is generative AI, again a lot has happened just in the last 1 to 2 weeks. Accenture once again collaborated with Unilever, and Unilever is doing this Gen AI exercise because they believe it will reduce the overall cost to the company. They will become much more efficient. These are the words they have used in their press release itself. And this is not just remaining in the technology space. For example, just think about a transformer, electrical transformer on your street. And this electrical transformer itself right now is becoming an AI hub. How? Earlier, servicemen used to come and do repairs to these transformers or maintenance checks. Now, all the maintenance has moved into AI-led predictive maintenance. So they can anticipate what is going to come wrong, and they are proactively reacting to something which has not even happened. You can see as simple as a transformer, which we have been seeing for years, has already moved into AI space, and everything else is just following it up. And finally, again, the Accenture Media and Entertainment domain head mentioned very clearly that how we as consumers are behaving with respect to our content consumption. Are we watching more Instagram? Are we watching Reels, YouTube, Shorts, whatever it is? Our content consumption pattern itself is changing because of generative AI, because a lot of content is now created by generative AI. Creators like me might not have any more future going forward. And this is the reality in a lot of industries. If I am scared, I'm sure a lot of us are scared about our jobs, about what we do on a day-to-day basis. And all we have to do is upskill, keep moving forward, and not stay at the same place. Now, coming into the resume part, how do you highlight these things on your resume? Number one, you need to show the business impact of the work that you are doing. Talk about cost savings, operational efficiencies. If you are writing one bullet, you can say that, hey, I have conducted a proof of concept using XYZ AI models to reduce the cost within the company. You are talking about what you did at the start, that hey, you have built something using some AI models, and you're also talking about the impact to the company. This is how you continue to write for cloud, you continue to write for AI, and also for data. And for data, again, hey, I have been a part of a team managing metadata, and this is exactly what I did. Again, what you did and what is the impact should be covered in that bullet point. This is how you can continue to write, showing your technology expertise and also your business value creation. I hope this makes sense. If you have more questions, I will link a video on how to write resumes very specifically, and that will also help you tweak your resume to the next extent possible. I hope this video is valuable to you, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye bye.